Good morning one and all. Now in today's class we'll be studying about the next type of plant layout, that is the fixed position layout. Now as the name itself suggests, what do you mean by fixed layout? Fixed layout means what? It is fixed or it remains constant, means it is immovable, which cannot be moved from one place to the other. See, they are movable and immovable products. Movable means what? Which can easily move or which can easily shift from one place to the other. Whereas immovable means what? Which cannot be easily shifted or moved. So that is fixed position layout. Okay, means here whatever the equipments are there, whatever the machines or products, it will remain fixed or stable. It will not be moved from one place to the other. That is called as a fixed position layout. Now let us study what are the merits and demerits. The first merit is what? Now these are just the points you can understand based on that. In that, the first point is what? Substantial time and money are saved as a site of manufacturing, and there is no movement of machineries and men from one location to the other. Now when the products are being fixed, or whatever the equipments and machine, these have been fixed and constant, the time and money are saved. Now you will ask me, when you have a doubt or question in your mind, how the time and money are saved? The time will be saved. Okay, like suppose what happens, suppose if the goods are movable, we need to shift that from one place to other place, that much time will be consumed. Okay, means that much time will be wasted, and money are also been wasted in order to send the goods. But here in case of this, the location which is there is fixed at one particular place only, or the product is at one place only, so it need not be shifted or moved. So that much time and money is been saved. Okay, and there is no movement of machine and men from one location to the other, because as the word itself suggests, fixed position layout. So here there is no movement of machineries and men. The machineries are also not been shifted. Okay, and then there is no movement of the labor also from one location to the other. Now normally what happens, the laborers or the workers who have been working, no, they need to be shifted. Okay, they constantly they need to move from one place to the other. But here in case of this, in fixed position layout, the movement is not been totally reduced, means movement is totally not at all there. Okay, because of the machineries and men also. So that is the first merit. Then the second merit is what? Job design and sequence of working activity are easily changeable. Okay, now what do you mean by job design? Now whatever are the means whatever design they have been set about the job, and sequence of working activity also. Now they will set a plan. Okay, how the sequence has to be there regarding what kind of working activity. These can be easily changeable. Then it is possible to accomplish a number of orders at various stages, which makes the layout cost effective. Now they can try to accomplish, they can try to achieve a number of orders, means many orders can be placed at various stages, and that is also cost effective. Now why it is cost effective? Because here the location, they are not being easily shifted or continuously they are not been moving. It is been fixed at one particular place only. So that much risk or that much cost is not been involved, means it is cost effective. The next one, due to flexibility in the order of operation, it is easy to carry out necessary modification to overcome shortage of men and materials. Now there is flexibility in the order of operation. What do you mean by flexibility? Flexibility means what? Changes. To carry out necessary modification to overcome shortage of men and materials. Because what happens, what do you mean by shortage? Shortage of men and materials means what? Now here in this particular layout, no, that many laborers are not been required, or that many materials are not been required, because it is fixed at one particular location only. Then apart from that, we will study what are the demerits of this fixed position layout. In that, first one is what? Used fund are invested and the process of production is prolonged. Used fund are invested means what? Fund which is been used, okay, those are only invested and the production process is prolonged. Prolonged means what? It goes for a long duration or a long period of time, okay, because there is no any movement in the machinery and there is no movement of labor also. Then the next demerit is what? Cost associated with equipment handling is at a higher level, okay. Now whatever the cost is associated with the equipment handling, what do you mean by equipment handling? The equipment or the machinery handling, whatever cost is required, that is there at the higher level. Then a lot of space is needed for the shortage of various equipments and material at the manufacturing site of the product, okay. Now whatever the space, whatever the area is required for the shortage of various equipment. Now if suppose there are less equipment and material, they fall shortage of equipment and material, so a lot of area or lot of space is required, okay. Then utilization level of men and machineries is at a lower level. Utilization level of men and machineries, because they are not using, they are not taking help of many men or laborers which are there, and the machineries also which is there at a lower level. Then as a type of layout provides a scope of carrying out various operation by number of department. See that this type of layout which is there, it provides a scope of carrying out various operations, various activities by number of department, and chances of misunderstanding among various groups cannot be brought out. Now here what happens, when the location is fixed at one particular place, okay, there is no much movement there, okay, and chances of misunderstanding will take place. Now here this is called as a fixed position layout. Only need to remember, fixed position layout means what? Fixed means what? It is constant or stable at one particular place. It cannot be shifted from one place to the other. There is no movement of machinery or men. And we have seen these are the merits and demerits. Now just briefly we'll see. Time and money are saved because it is a immovable, okay. There is no much movement of machineries and men, so because of that the time and money are saved. And whatever the job design and sequence of working activity, it can be easily changeable, okay. And this type of layout, it is cost effective. And here whatever to overcome the shortage of men and materials, some kind of changes can be done. And after that we had studied about the demerits. The funds which have been used are invested and the production process, it has been prolonged, means the production process will go for a long duration of time. And cost associated with equipment handling means whatever the material handling or machine handling which is there, cost associated with that which is there, it is at a high level. And here a lot of space is required, and utilization level of men and machineries also is at a lower level, okay, because they are not using much men and materials. And this type of layout which is there provides a scope of carrying out means many activities by number of department. So this is all about the fixed position layout.